So what we're doing here is getting ready to take this molding here and use the natural heat. It's going to be about almost 110 degrees outside. We're going to use that natural heat to try and see if this adhesive will loosen up and we could pry it off of here by using this scraper here. We're just going to scrape it off like this here. And then when I get it done, I'll come back. So as you can kind of see up close, there's still adhesive residue on this that has to be scrubbed out along here and places like that. So what I'm going to do is use bug tar remover. That's what I used to loosen it up for before I took it off. I'd put that on there, loosen up all the adhesive that sticks along here. So I'm going to rub some of that on there and try and get it off. So I have here the trim piece that's going to go on the car, made in Taiwan. And on the back of it, it has the adhesive tape, and then it's got some pegs here that goes in the holes on the door. And it comes black when you buy it. I got this on eBay and it was 27% off as factory OEM. And so then to paint it, what we'll do is use this primer adhesion promoter, and that helps this paint here stick to it. And so we'll put this on first, then a coat of white paint, and it's coated 0x3 from the door jamb on the car to match the paint on the whole car, because the trim's got to match. And this is a metallic that goes on next. Then 3 layers of clear coat to get some shine out of it. This is not the greatest clear coat, but it's just one little trim piece, not the whole car, so that's why I bought it from Napa. Dupli is better with their primers than they are their clear coat. Their clear coat is junk. It's better if you use a 2K. I got better results with a 2K clear coat. But this is just for the trim, so that's what I'll be using when I paint this side of it here. And I may put a little bit of adhesion glue to reinforce this tape to make it stick really good to the door. So I'm debating on that. found the best way to peel these back. You can see that I've already peeled some of this, is to use a razor blade here and get up underneath this, and it'll peel right off. And then it's on there, and when I put it on, I ran my fingers across here the full length to press it in, make sure that glue or the adhesive takes on there. And all you do is line it up with the 3 holes, stick the pegs in those holes, and then push it up against the car, and it's on there. And just go across and push it on. So hard to do that and hold this phone at the same time. And just like that, I got my trim piece on, and it's not sticking out over here anymore. So that's how you do it.